What's the first thing women notice about a man over 40? It's not what you think, and chances are you're getting it wrong. Want to stand out, command respect, and be instantly memorable? This video unpacks the real secrets to upgrading your style and confidence with insights straight from women who know exactly what they're looking for. Trust me, the first 5 are game changers. 1. A signature scent. A signature scent is a detail that can set you apart in a way nothing else does. Women often remember a man's scent longer than his outfit because it's personal and leaves a deeper impression. The right fragrance signals maturity and attention to detail, especially for men over 40. Look for woody, spicy, or leather bases. Cedarwood, sandalwood, vetiver, amber, or tobacco leaf. These notes create a warm, grounded presence that feels sophisticated and grown up. Avoid anything overpowering, cheap, or reminiscent of department store aisles or teenage body sprays. No scent at all is a missed opportunity, but too much is just as bad. Application matters. 2 sprays, one at the base of the neck, one on the wrist, then dab. Subtle, but memorable. The goal is for your scent to be noticed only when someone's close, drawing her in without overwhelming the room. Next, let's talk about how you can keep your casual style sharp without sacrificing comfort. This is very, very important. This helps not only attract her attention and want to stand closer to you, but also once you have left, it leaves a long-lasting impact and makes her want to meet you again. Check the description for 2 of my favorite fragrances that helped me get a date. 2. Crisp white shirt. A crisp white shirt never goes unnoticed. Women see a crisp white shirt like a firm handshake. Clean, disciplined, intentional, but most men miss the mark by choosing shirts that are too loose, wrinkled, or worn out. These mistakes can undermine your whole look. A well-chosen white shirt signals that you pay attention and care about how you show up, which women consistently notice and appreciate. Fit is everything here. The shirt should be slim through the arms, have a slight taper at the waist, and absolutely no billowing at the sides. Avoid anything baggy or stained, and make sure it's always pressed. This level of care transforms a basic shirt into a statement of maturity and self-respect. Tuck it into dark trousers for a polished appearance, or leave it open-collared under a blazer for a relaxed but sharp vibe. 3. Tailor-fit blazer. A well-fitted blazer always catches the eye because it defines your shape and signals intention. Many men over 40 skip blazers or wear outdated, oversized versions that hide their frame. But when you get the fit right, the effect is immediate. Your shoulders look broader, your waist appears slimmer, and you come across as sharp and confident. Women notice this. It shows you pay attention to detail and take pride in how you present yourself. The details matter. The blazer should hug your shoulders without pulling, and the sleeve should end right at your wrist bone, showing about a 1/4 inch of shirt cuff. Go for classic colors: navy, charcoal, camel, or a subtle herringbone. Avoid loud patterns that look like you're trying too hard. Pair it with a crisp shirt and dark jeans, and you'll stand out in any setting. Of course, even the sharpest blazer needs the right shirt underneath. Enjoying these hacks so far? Stay with me, the next few will change everything for you drastically. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upgrade that keeps you looking sharp. 4. A classic watch. A classic watch is one of those details that quietly sets you apart. It signals you value precision and the finer details, qualities women notice right away. Many men skip watches completely or pick oversized, flashy, or gimmicky styles that work against a mature look. Instead, avoid bulky dive style or loud digital faces. Opt for a leather strap or slim steel bracelet with a white or black dial. The case should fit neatly on your wrist, never looking clunky or out of place. Picture a simple, clean dial with silver or gold accents. Whether you're in a blazer or a casual sweater, it pulls your outfit together without demanding attention. A clean, understated watch communicates maturity without shouting for attention. It's a subtle signal that you have your act together and pay attention to what matters. Of course, how you look is just one side of the story. There's another detail that keeps you memorable long after you've left the room. Though they are small, they are one of the most important components of your outfit. They help draw her attention and act as the best icebreaker. Pick a classy piece and make yourself irresistible by taking a peek at my personal collection. I've mentioned them in the description below. 5. Shoes that blend well. Believe it or not, your shoes can make or break your entire look. One quick glance and the wrong pair, like beat-up sneakers or bulky, outdated dress shoes, can instantly undo an otherwise sharp outfit. Women notice shoes because they're a direct reflection of your attention to detail. That's why leather loafers and Chelsea boots aren't just footwear. They're style upgrades that scream sophistication while staying versatile and grounded. Picture this. You're wearing a classic pair of dark denim and a crisp white shirt. Swap out those old sneakers for leather loafers in rich brown or oxblood. Instantly, the look transforms. What was casual now feels polished and intentional. Chelsea boots work the same way, offering a sleek finish that pairs perfectly with dark jeans. Black leather versions create a bold, confident vibe, while brown suede adds a touch of relaxed refinement. Invest in high-quality options and keep them clean. Your shoes will speak volumes before you ever say a word. 6. Denim that defines you. Jeans are a go-to choice for most men, but here's the thing. Not all denim works after 40. Light wash, distressed, or baggy denim might feel comfortable, but they often make you look either outdated or like you're trying too hard to follow trends. The solution? Classic dark denim. A clean, dark indigo wash instantly looks more refined and sophisticated, giving your outfit that polished edge without trying too hard. It's masculine, timeless, and most importantly, versatile. The key here isn't just in the color, but in the fit. A straight or slim cut complements your frame without clinging too tightly or billowing out. Pair them with a blazer for a smart casual appearance or a well-fitted sweater for a cooler, relaxed look. And don't forget the details. Dark denim should break cleanly at the shoe without excessive bunching. Women notice the overall balance, and these jeans ensure the focus stays where it belongs, on you. Dark denims help you slim down, clean you up, and go with 90% of your closet. If you don't already have a great pair, I've linked a few tried and tested ones below that I swear by. These will get you compliments. 7. Sweaters to stand out. A cashmere or merino sweater helps you stand out by adding a level of refinement that most casual outfits miss. These fabrics drape naturally and offer a soft texture that women notice, especially when she brushes your arm. The tactile quality creates a warmth and sophistication that rougher materials can't match, making you look more approachable and intentional about your style. Choose a close-to-body cut that avoids bagginess while maintaining a clean, modern silhouette. Stick to neutral colors like navy, camel, charcoal, olive, or deep burgundy. These shades work with almost anything and keep your look timeless. For versatility, go with a crew neck for classic layering or a V-neck over a white shirt for that gentleman casual vibe. Pair your sweater with dark jeans or tailored trousers for a polished appearance that still feels relaxed. Even with the right sweater, the details below the waist can make or break your entire look. 8. Tailored trousers. A well-fitted tailored trouser makes you unique, especially as you refine your style over 40. Baggy pants, shapeless legs, or hems pooling over your shoes can make even a sharp outfit look careless. Tailored trousers, on the other hand, show you understand how to dress for your body and age. Women notice the effort and precision. It's a sign of maturity and intention. Trousers should sit just above your hips to lengthen your legs and smooth your midsection. Go for a slim, tapered leg that follows your shape without being tight or restrictive. Avoid both skinny fits and wide, baggy styles. Aim for the hem to stop at the ankle bone with a slight or no break. This small detail adds visual height and keeps your look clean. Neutral fabrics like lightweight wool blends or structured cotton keep things versatile and polished. These choices set the foundation, but the right finishing touch is what truly pulls your outfit together. If any of these mistakes sound familiar, hit the links below. I've included direct swaps so you can replace the bad pieces today and move on. 9. Genuine leather belts. A well-made leather belt might seem like a minor part of your wardrobe, but it can make or break your outfit. It's the detail that subtly ties everything together, literally. Worn-out belts with frayed edges or ones that don't match the rest of your look instantly undermine your style, no matter how sharp your tailored trousers or blazer may be. On the other hand, a sleek, high-quality leather belt delivers structure, polish, and an intentional finish that commands attention. The key is simplicity. Match your belt to your shoes, brown with brown, black with black, and avoid flashy buckles or contrast stitching. Think clean, polished metal for buckles and silver, or matte brass tones that enhance, not distract. The width should fit snugly within the belt loops, providing balance without adding bulk. Paired with tailored trousers, a leather belt becomes that visual midpoint, creating symmetry and emphasizing a sharp appearance. A well-chosen belt isn't just practical, it's stylish proof of your attention to detail. If these hacks are making a difference, subscribing means you won't miss the next wave of style tips. 10th, seal the fit. Pick aviators or wayfarers, nothing trendy or wraparound. The right sunglasses elevate your look and project quiet confidence, while the wrong pair can distract from everything else you've worked to build. Classic frames enhance your features and show you care about self-presentation, a quality women notice right away. Start with shape. Aviators with their teardrop lenses and metal frames work best for strong jawlines and angular features. Ensure aviators are proportionate to your face. Lens width shouldn't extend past your temples. If your face is round or oval, Wayfarers with a strong brow line and thicker frame help balance your features. Both styles are timeless and versatile, fitting with anything from a t-shirt and jeans to a full suit. Stick to polished metal, dark tortoise, or matte black frames for a subtle, refined finish. When you focus on these details, you're not chasing trends. You're building a look that lasts. Style isn't about trends, it's about strategy and execution. The choices you make today don't just upgrade your wardrobe, they redefine how you feel and how others see you. Focus on timeless pieces, proper fit, and attention to detail, because these small changes create the biggest impact. Start with one upgrade. Maybe it's swapping outdated jeans for dark denim or choosing a cashmere sweater over a bulky hoodie. Even a subtle change will show you how powerful the right look can be. Because gentlemen, after 40, it's not about chasing fashion. It's about looking sharp, confident, and unmistakably you. As you start making these smart upgrades, remember, I've gathered all my top recommendations in the description below. Quality pieces that'll help you look and feel your best every day. Take a look and see which ones fit your style and budget. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your own style questions. Let's keep leveling up together.